Hey guys, we are going to solve a question from the chapter derivative. And the question is like this. Find the derivative of hyperbolic of sin x by a plus hyperbolic of cos x by a to the whole power n times x. And we are going to solve this question by using two methods. Firstly, we are going to solve it by using log, and another method is by using chain rule. And this one is a conventional method. We generally use log when there is a whole power or something like that in the question. And now let's begin. Let y is equal to the hyperbolic of sin x by a plus hyperbolic of cos x by a to the whole power n times x. Let's taking log on both sides. Log y is equal to n times x log hyperbolic of sin x by a plus hyperbolic of cos x by a. Now we are going to differentiate both sides with respect to x, and I have jumped one step ahead. Here in the left hand side we have to use chain rule. We cannot differentiate it directly, as we have to differentiate with respect to x. And in the right hand side we have to use chain rule again to differentiate log hyperbolic of cos x by a plus hyperbolic of sin x by a. We have to use chain rule in order to differentiate it, and we have to use product rule again in order to differentiate these two terms, x and this term multiplied. There is the sign of multiplication, so we have to use the product rule. And later, after using these properties, we can get the result in this manner. Now you can read the answer, and this one is n times x. As x y goes here, the same question arrives here. Now we are going to solve the question in an unconventional method. I have rarely seen students or my fellow student solving this kind of problem in this manner, and you can use this method in order to get attention from your teacher, or to get attention from your teacher. And the question is y is equal to the question we did earlier. Now let's put the value of hyperbolic of sin x by a. As we know, the value of hyperbolic of sin x is this is equal to 1 by 2 bracket e to the power x minus e to the power minus x. This one is the value of hyperbolic of sin x hyperbolic of sin x. And hyperbolic of cos x has value 1 by 2 e to the power x plus e to the power minus x. This is the value of hyperbolic of cos x. In the same manner, if I replace x by a, then in the value the x will be replaced by x by a, and x will be replaced by x by a. Minus x will be replaced by minus x by a. In the same manner, the value of hyperbolic of cos x by a will be replaced by x by a and minus x by a in the powers of e. Now we get y is equal to e to the power x divided by a to the whole power n times x. Now in order to use the power rule, as you know, for example, if y is equal to x to the power n, and then we can use if we have to differentiate it with respect to x, then we can use power rule. As the n is constant, in case n is constant, we can use power rule in this manner: n times x to the power n minus 1. Now we are going to make it able to use power rule. So the term inside the bracket, this bracket, are variable, and the term that is in the exponent of this expression, and the term that is in the exponent of this expression is constant, so we can use power rule. And after using power rule with respect to x, differentiating both sides with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equal to dy by dx e to the power x square to the whole power n by a. Now we can use power rule here and chain rule. Simultaneously we can use power rule and chain rule, and we get the answer in this manner. After solving this, we will get n time e to the power n x square divided by a times bracket close times bracket 2x by a bracket close. Now the value of, if we simplify this expression, we will get the same term, and if we simplify this expression, this is the same as question, and there is something in the power of this expression, and the exponent of this expression is n times x nx. And if we simplify this expression, we will get this by replacing the value of hyperbolic of sin x by n, hyperbolic of cos x by a. So this is a very important question, I think, from the examination point of view or entrance point of view. So I think this video will help you out to solve this problem, this kind of problem. Thank you. And this video has come after long time, so I wish you will not so, and I wish you will support this video also.